So what does it take to actually create a bot in Telegram? So it is super easy. You just need to text one very special account on Telegram. It's called botfather. And that's exactly what we are going to do. So we are going to create a bot, choose a name for it, and integrate our existing app into the menu button of this bot. Let's proceed. So I'm opening Telegram, brand new account. I'm searching botfather in the search. And here's what we see. We can click start and we see multiple options, but we want to go to menu and say create new bot. So how we are going to call it? I'm going to call it Ton & Co tutorial. Great. And now we need to choose a name. Regular names are always ending with bot. So we have to choose some name. We will call it Ton & Co tutorial. And we have to, if I'll just send it, it's going to say you need to actually have a bot postfix. So I'm going to put the bot. So just one more time, Ton & Co tutorial bot. You can come up with some better names for your project, but this one is okay for the sake of testing. So what I got HTTP API key. We are going to need it, but not in this lesson and not even in the next one. We are going to need the HTTP API key for actually creating the chatbot command interface. But what we want to do now is we are heading to menu, we click edit bots, we choose our bot, and we go to bot settings. So in bot settings, we see button menu button. We're configuring menu button, and it is asking to send the URL that will be opened by tapping in the menu button. So this is exactly the link that we got in the previous lesson after publishing the app onto the GitHub pages. So this is the link I'm going to send to the bot. And now it is asking for the title. So the title will be simply counter. I will just use the title counter so the user can click counter and it will open the app. Great, so we go back to bot and now we can actually redirect ourselves to the bot. Maybe one more thing worth mentioning is in the bot settings, even in the edit bot, you could edit the name, you could edit the about text, you could edit the description, you could even edit the picture, and editing commands will allow you to have more buttons in the menu than just this one. But you have enough time to just get there, play around with your bot. Right now, we want to focus on how our menu button is going to work. So I'm clicking start, and I can see that I have this counter button. So if I click this counter button, it is asking me if I'm okay to actually proceed to open this website. So I click OK. So what actually I want to do next is just simply proceed to the bot. So I can see the start button. We are starting, and exactly next moment, we are seeing the counter button on the left bottom corner. So this is our menu button, and it is opening our app. You can see that we could adjust the height. This is also could be done programmatically with the SDK that I told you about. And what we can do now, we can click Connect App. We will have to adjust the height though. So I'm heading to the Tonekeeper, and it is asking me to actually connect wallet. Now, when the wallet is connected, my app is also authorized. So I'm closing the counter, and when I open it again, it keeps the session. Because this is just a web app. But it's not just a web app. It is also giving us a lot of possibilities to interact with our bot. So our interface for the bot becomes so much different, and it's a whole new level of quality. So in the next lesson, we're going to actually learn more about the SDK and how to make it work even more efficiently and interact with Telegram itself. And later on, we'll also learn how to build the chat interfaces that are correlating and working together with the web app that we just built. So stay tuned, it's going to be very interesting 2 lessons.